Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix verification required on App Store if you want to install app but face this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, go back here home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here you tap on Apple ID banner name, then click on media and purchase, then click on view account, and from here enter your Apple ID password. Then click on country or region. Then click on change country or region. Select your country. I'm selecting United States. Terms and conditions, read carefully, then click on agree. From here you can see payment method. Select your payment method. Select your state. Select your city, select your state, and select California. Then put your California zip code. Enter your phone number. Then click on next. After change your country or region, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.